Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Bluestacks Google Play Store sign-in problem. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to open up Bluestacks and select the 3 line and select settings. CPU allocation set high, memory allocation set this to enhanced, performance mode set to high performance and select save changes option. Select restart now and now click on the system apps and select settings, select accounts and select the add account option and select the Google and now you can add your Google account guys. After getting added, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to select the system apps and select settings and select apps and search Google Play Store. Select it, select the storage option and select the clear storage and select OK. After getting done, go back and do the same thing for Google Play services, storage, clear all data option, select delete. Now can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to select the system apps and select settings and select accounts, select your Google account, select the account sync option and make sure all the sync options are enabled and select 3 dot icon and select sync now. And now after getting syncing completed, close stuff here and now your problem should be fixed guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.